Hello YouTube, this is my second video. This is a unboxing of 2 WWE commemorative belts. So, get straight into it. Without for which one is in which box. Find out, won't we? Packaging. Packaging. And this is Intercontinental commemorative. This is heavy. Very heavy. This is a nice bond. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a different material cloth compared to the WWE. This is a nice like suede feel to it. Absolutely amazing. Look at this box. Look at this. Let's have a look. This is it. Oh, no packaging with this one. Oh. I don't know if you can see this. Yep, you can see. Put that out the way. Put it out. Wow. Just show you this. Commemorative belt. Nice gold tip. 2x5 snap box. First 2 plates. Intercontinental main plate. 2x8 nail snap box. Just put the back on the stand. Go to the back. Just black. This is a bit of a mark on there, but nice black backing. See, I don't know why they do this, but on all the other commemoratives they don't have the screws, which you can see, as though they have these little black rivets on the main plate, bottom side plates. They have the screws. So don't quite understand, but beautiful belt. Beautiful belt. I think this is now my favourite until we see the next one. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got nice flexibility to it. Absolutely brilliant belt. Snap it together. It's quite hard to do first time. It's very hard to do. One of them's done, just leave it like that. So there you go, on the face, the Intercontinental commemorative title, which is now my favourite until we do the next unboxing. Same again, the nice cloth bag compared to the WWE World Heavyweight Championship, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, United States commemorative, new bag, new cloth material bag, absolutely beautiful. Straight into this one, undo the zipper. jelly things. I think the thing is good with the United States is, I'll show you in a minute, is the fact that you can change. Look at that. You can change the nameplate to whichever you want it to be. Another beautiful bag. Plastic. Oh. Nice. Very nice. Plastic. Wow. This doesn't come with a gold tip, which is a shame, but I'll buy one. Show you this belt. Absolutely beautiful, this one. Onto it, back into the back. So you can see that, United States commemorative, change your nameplate, and 2 screws. This belt is, the new versions of the belt are absolutely brilliant with the simulated leather and wow. It is. See if this one's any good at doing the snaps up. Yeah, that's 2. Still difficult. So, got the intercontinental, the United States. Also, bring into the equation of the WWE.